My name is Stephen Olszewski, and we own and run Howler's Dog Sport. We offer daycare, training, and boarding. The Toro building offered us an opportunity to have a kit build, which allowed us to manage our costs more efficiently because it was fairly easy to construct. And with the help of few trades, we were able to construct it properly and quickly. The environmental concerns that we have at Howler's is snow loads and high winds and being in central West Ontario. So these were considerations that the engineer had to take into account and provide us with solutions that were safe for humans and for dogs. Offered us a more hygienic approach over a conventional building. It allowed us to ensure that we could clean the building to a level that we wouldn't have any kind of biological issues. I guess is really what I'm saying is this building will be here in 50 years. A conventional building used in a kennel sort of building would have to be either renovated or torn down after 15, 20 years. The salesperson was approachable, the engineers were approachable, and if we were struggling with something, they were happy to walk us through it. We're undergoing a 1,500 square foot expansion right now, and we're doing it with the Toro building. So I think that kind of says, you know, what our level of happiness is with the building.